So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to copy a plan in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to your Microsoft Planner. You can do that a couple different ways, either through projects, then you can go to my tasks and continue on. So from here you can see my day, my tasks, my plans, portfolios, and some other features on here. So if you want to copy a plan, you will need to go to my plans. So on here you can see some stuff that I've added. This is just to show you as an example. So you can see some options on here. So if you open up a project, you can see grid, board, schedule, stuff like that. So some things about managing the project itself. You can also click on here to see assignments, and you can share it through here to an existing group or to add people to it. Now, if I want to go to, again, the layout of my project, you can see here, or rather plans, you can see the three dots which will give you options. You can also pin the plans, then they will appear here as it says. If you click on the three dots, you can see options like open, rename it, pin, hide, and then you can see the copy link to plan. Now through there, you just click on the copy link to plan button, and you will see a pop-up right here that says link copied to clipboard hyphen new project. So through there, you can just click on Control V to the place where you want to send it to someone, maybe through an email address or a different social media account you're using, something like that. So you can just send them that link and then they can access this plan. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.